Hey friends, if the Hibernate option is missing in control panel on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's one thing. Now, if it was missing from, let's just say the start menu, then that would be a different thing. But if it is missing from the control panel itself, then how will you activate Hibernate? So it may be removed by a third party software and you can bring it back using a few command lines. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Now the first command is power cfg space hyphen hibernate space on. Paste it here, hit enter, right? And it doesn't have an effect immediately, but it will bring back the hibernate option. And the second one is power cfg space /h space /type space full. Paste it here and hit enter. Okay, and now the Hibernate option will be back and you can activate it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.